Hey friends, if you wish to enable and use quick access in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now earlier we had an option called as quick access in the file explorer, but we don't find it anymore. It has been changed to home and now we have quick access as a menu under it. But it is very similar to the previous option. It's just that the nomenclature has been changed. So we have a lot of options here, for example, different kinds of folders and other than this we can also add a list of recent options and all. So we'll have to click on these three dots here, select options. You can open File Explorer to home. This will make sure that it opens to the quick access window, and then you can check these three options so that all the recent files appear. Click on apply and then on OK, and now it will show all the recently opened files on the system. And you can also add favorites and shared ones. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.